second simple self-defense that I feel that I think it's just as important to know this one because I believe this one I think people use a lot, and I think they use this move, being the attacker, more than even the bear hug and any other one. Okay, so I'm going to use Bob, of course, because he is an amazing helper, partner. Okay, so if you didn't look at the thumbnail, this one is from the back of the head hair grab. This is going to be a hair grab or a clothing grab from behind. Okay, someone comes up behind you, grabs the back of your clothes, pulls you back, grabs your hair, pulls it back, rips out, things like that. And then I'm going to show you how to defend yourself from this. So first move, I'm jumping right into it. First move, what we're going to do is when you feel a hair grab or a clothes grab, clothes grabs are going to be a little bit different, and I'll get to that here in a few. But let's go ahead and just talk about the hair grab first. Hair grab, first thing what you want to do is you want to grab the hand and not let it go, okay? So when you feel that hair grab, you're going to grab their hand and you're going to push up against the back of your head, all right, with both your hands, and you're not going to let that hand go. Grab some fingers, grab whatever you need to do, and then push up against your hand or the back of your head, and then that's going to cause two things. That's going to cause relief from the hair pull, and it's going to trap him or her to for your next move. Okay, so keep that in mind. You're locking them into place, and then you're not letting that hand go, and it's going to be relief from your head, so your hair doesn't get pulled out there. Okay, I'm in the frame. Okay, so next move, wash my feet. So here, what now we're going to do is we're going to I'm just going to say your most dominant foot that you have, that you are going to want to step with. Go ahead and step with that one because it works both ways. So grab, step behind your foot, and then turn. So now you're turning towards the potential threat, or the threat, because they're just grabbing your hair. Okay, so I'm going to set Bob up for this. So he's my attacker. Grab the back of his hand, step behind, and then turn, and then face him. So what that's going to do is the grab, either way, whichever way that you turn your foot, it's going to do two things. It's either going to turn the wrist up this way, or it's going to turn them back behind the back. Either way, you have the upper hand now, and then you could rip the hand off the back of your head, push them, do a front kick, push, whatever. I'm not going to get too much into strike here. Just keep it very simple. Self-defense needs to be simple. Self-defense is already just absolutely, there's no structure with an attack. It is so out there. No one has really put a this is going to work every single time. Do it this way, with this move. It just doesn't work that way. Okay, so what I would say is self-defense is if you got room to throw a front kick, if you got room to throw an elbow, if you got room to throw a knee, then if you feel good enough that, okay, I'm just going to throw a knee, push, get out of the way, turn, run, whatever you got to do, get out of the situation as fast as you can. All right. Okay. So now let's go over real quick with the close grab. Okay. So someone, if we got a hoodie, jacket, t-shirt, whatever it is, this kind of gets your hand a bit, so you really just don't have enough to grab the back. But what I would do is I would just go ahead and just turn your body. So we're not even going to try to grab. We're just going to get in a good posture here. And before they can move us around and drag us, we got to set our base up. Okay, so putting a base up here, even if someone just kind of you just feel a tug in the back, bam, get your base, get a nice strong self-defense stance, sparring stance, and so then you can kind of resist that. And then if you gotta kind of tuck up underneath your t-shirt so it doesn't choke you, or your jacket or whatever, go ahead and come here like this. But then you're going to do the same move. Okay, so here, and then turn, and then here. And then what that does is that turns them, and then either the same way, this way or this way, or if it doesn't because you have a hoodie on, that's okay. Now you're facing the threat. All right, so now you're facing, and that's what you need to do is face your threat. I know it's scary, but you're being attacked, and you got to have that lion instinct of not being scared and just going after and protecting yourself. Okay, protection, protection, protection. Protect yourself. All right, so here you're going to face him, whoever it is, him or her, and then you're just going to either you can hammer fist their arm down. You can come in and rip the hand off, push, whatever it is. If I had a partner, I could really get into detail with this, but really it's really here, turn, and then you can lift your elbow up, trap the arm, because now you have the arm underneath your armpit, and then you can just push away, you can kick, you can come up, knee strike, whatever you want. I would keep it simple, very simple. Martial arts is already just too complicated anyways. But keep it simple. Just get yourself away from the threat. That's all we're really focusing on and needing to do. Get yourself out of the threatening area. Okay. So with that being said, go ahead and work these. If you have a partner with you at a studio or just at home, this is a great self-defense to learn. Go ahead and rewind this one if you need to. Watch it a little bit. If you guys need more information, go ahead and comment down below. And until next time, go ahead, like, subscribe, train hard, train smart. See you in the next one.